everyone, this is Leona from SinoGen. In this video, I will introduce the fuel saver. It's part of Sinomac. SinoGen was established in 2013, focusing on diesel generator set manufacturing, owns a 20,000 square meter area modern high automated plant, one joint venture in Thailand with local business partner. The fuel saver consists of two components, diesel generator set and intelligent energy storage system. The energy storage system includes EMS energy management system, PCS power conversion system, and BMS battery management system. This product is suitable for mining, road, and bridge construction, tunnel projects, and regions with underdeveloped power grids for emergency power supply. The rated output voltage of the fuel saver is 400 voltage. Rated output frequency is 50 Hz, and the output phase number 1 is 3 phases and 4 wires. The storage ambient temperature for fuel saver should be between -1 to 50 degrees Celsius, and its class of protection can reach IP50-54 level. This product collects, tracks, calculates load date, and adjust electrical energy in real time, ensuring that diesel generator sets always operate at their optimal state to achieve fuel saving, which can save 30% to 50% fuel compared to traditional diesel generator sets. This product, through the coordination of energy storage systems, intelligent management system scheduling, can achieve long-term shutdown of diesel generator sets and avoid operating under low load and overload conditions, increasing the service life of diesel generator sets. The operating volume of this product is lower than 80 decibels. The EMS intelligently control the diesel generator set to operate in the most efficient power range. Excess power is stored in the energy storage system when the external load is lower than the generator set's output. When the load exceeds the generator set's output, the storage system automatically discharges to supplement the power supply. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact SinoGen at any time. For more details about our company, products, and service, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.sino-gen.com.